Gambia is no more smiling because the leaders are corrupt. The leaders are not willing to bring the best quality in our doorstep.
Yara fandu ko ala man fem for moye no be kelele ko etitala ko ala man fem for moye man fem for moye ala man fem for moye boy bari ni nan samode ngal do sata
It's a homeland for everybody. The home for peace, love and unity. But today, this land called the Smiling Coast of Africa is a home for destitute, a home for poverty, a home where millions of people are thinking what to eat. Everything in the Gambia is just increasing. Our markets are not conducive. Our mothers are crying every day and night simply because they are thinking of survival. Oh, the Gambian government really have to do something because the food commodities is going higher. What is going on, Mama Africa, particularly in the Gambia? Millions of our mothers, their hearts are not at rest. At night should be conducive for them to be sleeping and relaxing, but there is no hope. That is why many of our mothers, fathers, uncles wake up by 4 o'clock a.m. in the morning to go out in search of survival. In the daybreak, they have no breakfast. This has brought a lot of tears on our kids. Gambia is no more smiling because the leaders are corrupt. The leaders are not willing to bring the best quality in our doorsteps. What are we when we are not happy in our own nation, the Gambia? Many of our youths have embarked through the back way, and today many of them has been deported. As a result, millions of them are going through a lot of unconsciousness. Where are we? Oh no! Do we really deserve this? This is my question. Do we really deserve this as a Gambian? Go to other parts of the world, particularly in Africa. Millions of them, their population is more larger than the Gambians, but they are feeding themselves. They have good road constructions. They have better life. They have good opportunities in their country. Yet, the Gambia that is known for red, white, blue, white, green is going astray. No. Let's be kill poverty. Corrupted people, they must go. Gambia must smile. We want to see Gambia smiling.
International TV. Jalingali kontone. Allah lodulale ninya Gambia.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our videos.